Welcome back to Kids Cooking Adventure, and today we're going to be making bread rolls. So, you will need 185 millilitres of warm water, 250 grams of bread and roll mix for using Hovis, and extra plain flour for sprinkling. Let's get started. So first we need to mix the water with the bread and roll mix. Let's mix that up. So now it's starting to come together. What you want to do, sprinkle some flour on a surface and place the dough onto the flour. Now what you want to do is knead for 5 minutes. So it should just become this nice little ball of dough that doesn't stick to your hands. And when you've done that, and it is in that stage, roll it into a little sausage. So now that it's a sausage, what you want to do is rip it up into 6 pieces. And roll them into balls. 6 little equal sized balls. Get a baking tray and sprinkle it with flour. I want to place the balls with one in the middle and then the others around the outside. And it's quite close, and then they'll raise and connect. So now that they're all together, what you want to do is cover them for a damp cloth and leave them for an hour to cool. The hour's passed, and look, they've doubled in size and they've connected, which is what you want. Now preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius and leave them there for 10 to 12 minutes. Put it in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. So inside of the oven, let it cool down a little bit. And make sure to ask your parents for help taking it out of the oven because it's very hot. What you need to do, grab this wonderful piece and cut the bread off. You see that it's very soft and fluffy. Delicious, absolutely good. And this is really fluffy and really tasty. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the button here. See you next time. Bye!